Today we're going to learn about adult learning principles. My name is Sylvia Modhoni-Geshohi, a lead trainer with Women in Digital Business. What are adult learning principles? These are guidelines that explain how adults learn best. They are based on the idea that adults learn differently from children due to their many life experiences, their responsibilities, motivations, and maturities. So these principles are supposed to help you as a trainer be able to facilitate, to design, and to also understand adults so that you can conduct the trainings in a manner that they understand. You know that most adults are self-directed. They also have a lot of life experiences to draw from. And they learn best when the content is relevant and practical. So you must make the content very relevant and practical. They are also goals and result oriented. And then most of the time, their learning is often problem centered rather than content centered. They want something that is going to help them now. So the core adult learning principles were put together by a gentleman by the name Malcolm Knowles and referred to adult learning principles as Andragogy. What is Andragogy? Andragogy is adult learning principles. We have 10 adult learning principles, and we are going to discuss them through this lesson today. So, principle number one, adults come to the training room with a lot of experience and prior knowledge, and they want to be acknowledged. Yes, they're not beginning from ground zero. They already know, so you're going to build from what they already know. So you should understand that every woman entrepreneur that you're training is a learning resource, is also a resource. So you learn from them and they also learn from you. That takes us to principle number two, teamwork. You are women entrepreneurs. They do not expect you to treat them like children. They expect that you're going to be doing teamwork. As you teach them, the women entrepreneurs are also going to teach you. So you are part of the team. You are not just a teacher student, you are all part of a team. Number three, the other principle number three is about relevance. They will only come for training for good reasons. So everything that you are training them must be practical, it must be applicable and necessary to their real life situation. That is why it is better when you do the women in digital business for women entrepreneurs or for someone who wants to become a business person, because you're building on with what they already know. Then we have principle number four, which is safety. Women entrepreneurs must feel safe with you. They will not participate when they feel ridiculed or ignored or unsuccessful. So you must create a safe environment that they can be able to talk to you, they can be able to trust you, so that you can be able to lead them through the training. Principle number five is enjoyment. All adults or even children want learning to be fun. So you must make the training fun. Give them positive feedback, because when you give them positive feedback, they become motivated. Then we have immediacy. Adults want to learn something they're going to apply immediately. That's why I keep telling you, when you're training women entrepreneurs, someone who is trying to start a business immediately, they want something that they're going to apply immediately. Number seven is about reinforcement. Adults learn more when they use more of their senses. So sometimes you have to repeat more. Also make it exciting. Use flip charts. Apply all the five senses: hearing, sight, touch, smell. Use different methods of training. You can do a physical class, you can do a blended training, you can do online training, and then use ways which the training will also be repetitive to ensure that they are able to understand. As we grow older, I think sometimes retaining information is harder. So we need to find ways of reinforcing whatever they are learning. Number eight is activity. Adults learn better and remember more when they are actively involved in the process. Of course, their confidence level improves. So sometimes let them do the self-paced module. Sometimes when you're having physical training, let them have a lot of activity. Let them have some practicability. Number 9 is accountability. You know, adults want to keep promises and they expect others to do so. So they are more motivated when they are held accountable. If you call one of your trainers or women entrepreneurs and they tell you, I'll have finished by Monday, ensure you call them on Monday and ask them, you said you would finish. So when you hold them accountable, you'll find that they are able to finish the courses more on time. You cannot afford to be hands off. You have to keep reminding them, you have to keep holding them accountable. Then we have styles. You know, adults have different learning style. How do your learners learn best? Is it online? Is it do they like blended training? Understand your learners so well that you are able to understand what they really want. So the adult learning principles, that is all for adult learning principles. Use them as a basis to be able to understand your women better and to do better trainings using them as a guideline. That is all for today. Have a great evening.